I'm about to show you how to install the Bumbo Multi-Seat to a chair using the straps provided. The first thing you have to do is take a look at your Bumbo seat. You want to pull all of the straps out first. If you have a hard time pulling any of the straps out, you can just get a pencil, put it in there and pop it right out. It works really easily for me. So that's what works for me. Use what works for you. You want to pop these out also on both sides. So one set of these straps are going to be used for the back of the chair. The other set of straps are going to be used for the bottom of the chair. Be sure that whenever you pull these straps out that you have this adjustment plate right here so that you can adjust how much of this strap that you need to use. So I'm not going to make it tighter. In fact, if anything, I'm going to make this looser. So I'm going to pull that out some. And it's probably best to start with a very loose strap. Now would be a great time for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button while I'm adjusting these straps. Be sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos. Both sides of these have adjustments, so you can adjust it on both sides. So I'm gonna loosen this one, I'm gonna loosen that one. You're gonna go all the way around to the back and strap this to the back. Now after doing that, you see how loose it is? This chair can still slide around. You don't want that. From here, I'm gonna take this and tighten these restraints. I'll start on one side, tighten the restraint, and then I'll go to the other side and tighten this restraint. So it's still kind of loose, but you probably want it loose right now, just a little bit. I'm gonna come over here to this one, pull this out, and you're gonna see it's gonna have that adjustment on it also. And then the other side has the same thing. It's gonna have this adjustment strap. So I'm gonna go all the way under the chair. I'm gonna snap that together. Now that's relatively tight. And tighten this restraint. Continue to tighten it until it's very snug. Once it's snug, I'm gonna recommend that you actually undo this, tighten this restraint a little bit more because you want this to be pretty darn tight. I've tightened both sides, so now I pulled it around pretty tight, and now I gotta pull it a little bit. So now it's almost like I could play a song on it. Once you get the strap around the back side of the chair and on the bottom side, you're gonna see it moves a lot less. Now if you want it to move even less than that, you can tighten it even more, which is what I'm gonna do now. So I'm gonna loosen the bottom. I'm gonna tighten this strap, maybe even a little bit more. And now I've really got to struggle to snap this. All right, so now look, that thing's barely moving. I could lift the chair with this if I wanted to. Now once you get that installed, you can use this with the tray. Easy peasy piece of cake, and I'll show you how well it's on here. It's like, even if this is upside down, it's not even going to come off or anything. I'm shaking it. Now you're hearing of the restraints. I'm swinging it. So as long as the chair is safe and doesn't tip over, then your child will be safe in the Bumbo Multi-Seat. So if you want to see a comparison video of the Bumbo seat, the original, and the Bumbo Multi-Seat, click the video right over here on our end screens. And also here's a playlist with all of our Bumbo seat videos. So click that and you can watch them all. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out, parents.